State-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategy, behind the scenes, insights from cutting-edge users around the globe on World Business Review, on location.
The Environmental Protection Agency has stated that diesel engines need to be more environmentally friendly. Rentar Environmental Solutions is here to enlighten us on this subject.
A significant amount of our construction, transportation, and agricultural equipment is powered by diesel engines. Unfortunately, existing diesel engines do not meet new fuel consumption and exhaust pollution standards. The choices to date are not good. Either make existing engines comply or buy new equipment. A new alternative is a fuel catalyst created by Rentar Environmental Solutions.
There's three technologies that are being used, particulate and catalytic converters that are installed on the exhaust systems that treat problems after they're created. The fact is that they actually end up burning more fuel and having more maintenance on the vehicle and equipment than they would with other technologies. A second technology is fuel additives. Fuel additives use water-soluble chemicals to oxygenate the fuel. The problem is that when the exhaust settles, or if there's a tank somewhere that's leaking, these chemicals go directly to the water tables that people drink. Santa Monica, California has closed 9 of their 11 water wells as a result of MTBE, which it's a fuel additive which has now been made illegal in California. The third technology is the pre-treatment of fuel prior to burning it to make it more combustible, and we do that with the Rentar fuel catalyst technology. We do that by having the fuel prior to combustion pass over a patented combination of metallic metals and rare earth elements, which in effect oxygenate the fuel, relax the molecules, and allows more oxygen to surround the fuel, resulting in a better, more complete burn. Fuel pollution or exhaust pollution is unburned fuel. So if you can burn the fuel more completely, less will come out as exhaust. You'll also get much better gas mileage or fuel mileage in the case of the diesels.
New technology has been developed to help in this area.
The technology behind the Rentar fuel catalyst is based on the fact that it oxygenizes fuel. If you were to take a block of coal and put it in a flash furnace for 30 seconds, take it out, what you would have done is you would have crusted the outside of the coal, but it wasn't in there long enough to get to those clustered, protected molecules in the middle. If you took a sledgehammer, broke that into a fine powder, spread that coal powder over a large area, put it back in the furnace for the same period of time, a larger percentage of that coal would get burnt because there's more surface area for the oxygen to surround. And that's exactly what's happening in the Rentar fuel catalyst.
For companies like Hard Drives, a road contractor, taking engines offline costs money.
The Rentar fuel catalyst is easy to install. It takes about 20 minutes to put it on, and it goes between the secondary fuel filter to the fuel pump. It's an easy job to do. You got 2 hoses going to it. We put the inside on this end here. Screw it down tight. You take the other end, it goes to the fuel pump, just like that. You tighten it down.
The bottom line of all this is exactly that, the bottom line. In business, results are what matters most, not promises.
Hard Drives is an established construction company. It's been in business over 50 years and one of the primary construction companies in southern Florida. I was very skeptical at first, but after trying 6 units, the primary 6 units, we found that we were very successful and that we continue to use them, and we've built up now to 38 units. We've gained approximately 1 to 3 miles per gallon and a 50% reduction in our pollution standards.
From 2 to 3 miles per gallon on the fuel. And the black smoke is reduced 50% and better.
I would recommend the Rentar fuel catalyst to other people looking for improvements in their fuel economy and pollution control.
Many companies make claims about the validity of new products. Rentar Environmental thought it was a good idea to get its results certified.
Prior to Rentar taking the Rentar fuel catalyst to market, It went through extensive certified testing, government testing with the United States Marine Corps, government testing with the United States Navy, the Minister of Defense for Italy, the Minister of Environment for Venezuela, private laboratories, a full page in Boating Magazine as a result of them sending the unit to the Chesapeake Bay Foundation for evaluation. The results range anywhere from 5 to about 21% on fuel savings, a fuel reduction of 5 to 21%, and a reduction in pollution on average from 10% to about 51%. Some clients experience large results, some small results, but in all cases, we try and design the program for them where they recover the cost of the unit in as little as 6 to 12 months. A number of applications are being developed for this Rentar fuel catalyst technology. The United States military has been working very closely with us, and we understand that we're going to be part of the Armed Services Bill that's being submitted shortly. We also are working with a number of school bus and state agencies, and we understand one state has already budgeted a significant amount of dollars to be used by their state school districts to develop a program using the Rentar fuel catalyst. Other applications being worked on are railroads. Railroad engines, they have 16 to 20 cylinder engines. A big locomotive has 2 of those. They consume 180 gallons per hour per engine. We will be doing installations on diesel locomotives probably within 30 days of this date. We're also working with ships. We're also working with tugboats. We're working a lot with construction equipment, having, in some cases, extraordinary results.
Diesel engines must meet new emission and fuel efficiency requirements, period. Solutions such as the Rentar fuel catalyst need to be looked at as possible solutions until existing engines wear out. For World Business Review, I'm Bruce Gaster.
Ideas like this are helping companies to operate more efficiently as well as keep our air clean.
This and other WBR topics are always easily accessible right from your computer. Visit us at WBRTV.com.
Thank you for watching. For World Business Review on location, I'm Alexander Haig.